Shaz and Mobi. Welcome back to our channel.
This is our beautiful hut for today's beach picnic. Hello there kids, welcome back to our channel. Let's start little tour of this beautiful place with us.
This is our small lounge. Wow.
This is our dining area. This is our indoor living area. We're gonna explore outdoor place.
Wow.
Hey, we are at the beach. We are at the front of the beach having an awesome picnic with our friends. I love beach picnics. It's so much fun with friends. Come on everyone, let's cool off in the ocean. The water feels great. I can't wait to go swimming. The beach is so beautiful today. Look at the waves. We also build a sand castle.
Wow.
Now we are so hungry. Yummy. Let's start having food with our friends. Yum. This picnic is so much fun. I'm glad to came at the beach. We hope you had as much fun as we did. This is the perfect way to end our beach day. So don't forget to subscribe and like our channel. Thanks for joining us on the beach picnic adventure. Bye bye.
watching. Bye bye.